Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very important home remedy called lemongrass. So guys can see this lemongrass. Many people have it in their house, or you find it in the bush. The lemongrass is very good to our health. It boosts our systems. So if you are having malaria, typhoid, or your system is not clean, you boil lemongrass and drink. You can see, you can mix it with dry one. This dry one too. You can mix them together and pour and put it in the pot. Wash it before put it in the pot. Like this one is already washed. Wash it, put it in the pot to boil it. You put it in the fire like 15 minutes. Then you filter the water, you fetch some inside. Don't throw it immediately after boiling it. You can also add more water and boil it again. Continue drink it like 3-4 days before throwing it away. So when you are taking it, if you are having cold, to clear it. If you are having malaria, typhoid, or your system is not good, to help you to clear everything. It's a very good home remedy. It's a nice home remedy. So just lemongrass. I didn't add ginger, I didn't add any lemon or garlic. Just cut only lemongrass and boil it. Can mix it with the dry one and boil it. If you cut it, make sure you wash it very well. Don't just cut it and put it in the pot and started boiling it. No, if you cut it, the leaf is very dirty. You wash it very well before putting the water and boil it. Then after you boil it, fetch some water inside and leave it to cool. Then you taking it. Can take it anytime. Can take it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Anytime you like, you can fetch it and drink. Doesn't mean anything. You can fetch it and drink anytime. So just a simple remedy I want to show you guys. So I'm going to put it in the fire now and boil it like 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes it's done. Be fetching the water and drink it. So keep washing. So I'm putting it in the water. I'll leave it like 15 minutes. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to drop your comment, share and comment. Please, it's just a simple home remedy. It's not a hard something. Just to cut your lemongrass and boil it. Wash it very well and boil it. Then everything that is worrying you is over, like cold, malaria, typhoid, everything to be clear. Maybe you are having stomach pain, digestive food, the eat food is not digest, all those things to be clear, you will be free. So it's just a simple remedy. So I'll leave it for fire to boil like 15 minutes. Then I'll remove it. So thanks for watching. Please, we meet again in my next video. I love you guys. I know you guys have been trying for me, for subscribe, for like and everything, even comment. You are my people. I love you guys so much. I know you guys love me. Please continue to help me. I still need more of my help. Please, help me. I need my help. I know you are my family. I've been a family. So I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.